In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on show streaks in the web interface. Streaks are a simple, motivating way to see how consistently you've been active, and turning them on gives you a quick visual nudge to keep your momentum going. We're doing this on the web, so make sure you're using the site in a desktop or laptop browser. Start by locating the cogwheel icon, which represents settings. You'll usually find it in the top right corner of the page. Click that cogwheel to open your settings. This is where you control how things look and feel, along with feature preferences that tailor the experience to you. Inside Settings, look for the Interface section. The interface area focuses on appearance and layout, so it's the right place to manage visual elements like streaks. Go ahead and open Interface, and then scroll or glance to the Features section within it. This is where optional visual features live, so changes here affect what you see day to day. In the Features section, find the option labeled Show Streaks. You'll see a toggle next to it. Turn that toggle on to enable streaks. When it's on, the switch will typically change color or position to let you know it's active. That's all there is to it. The change normally takes effect immediately, so the next time you view your dashboard or header area, you should notice the streak indicator appear. It's designed to be subtle but visible, giving you a quick snapshot of your recent activity without getting in the way. If you ever decide you prefer a cleaner look without streaks, come back to the same place and toggle Show Streaks off. Your settings are saved, so you can switch it on or off whenever you like. Keep in mind that this is a visual preference tied to your account on the web interface, so the setting follows you when you sign in on the web, even if you switch browsers or devices. A quick tip: if you don't immediately see the streak indicator after turning it on, navigate to your main page or open a fresh view where it normally appears. Some pages only update those visual elements when you move between screens. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. You've learned exactly where to find the Show Streaks option, how to enable it in the interface settings, and what to expect once it's on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra motivation that comes with seeing your streak grow day by day.